Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is Times Now Live and I am Hina Gambhir. Viewers, in less than 3 hours from now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to address the nation. He's going to address the nation at 8:30 p.m. Now, this comes a day after Constitutional Amendment Bill for reserving 33% seats for women in Lok Sabha was defeated. We still do not have any clarity on what exactly is he going to talk about, but the expectation is that he is going to address the women in this country because he wanted the implementation of 33% quota from 2029 elections. Now, that's not going to happen because the key constitutional amendment bill has been defeated because it required a two-third majority in the parliament. Now, ahead of Prime Minister's address, we have a reaction coming in from Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister. Now, Mamata Banerjee has fired a fresh salvo at the Prime Minister, saying that Prime Minister Modi will deliver a speech, but that will not provide ration to people. And once again, he will address the nation with lies, she has said. Listen in.
আজকে শুনছি উনি দেশের উদ্দেশ্যে ভাষণ দেবেন। ওনার ভাষণ শুনে মানুষের রেশন মিলবে না, আর ওনার ভাষণ মানে মিথ্যে ভাষণ, মিথ্যে ফুলঝুরি, মিথ্যে কথা, জুমলা। চিন্তা করবেন না, কাল থেকে পতন শুরু হয়েছে। তাই বাবুকে আজ উদ্দেশ্যে, জাতির উদ্দেশ্যে, বাপরে কত বড় জাতির নেতা, দাঙ্গাকারীরা দেশের নেতা ভাবতে পারে। देश का नेता कैसा हो, गांधी जी जैसा हो, नेताजी जैसा हो, अंबेडकर जैसा हो, मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद जैसा हो।
Let's go across to my colleague Hridita joining us live right now for more on this. Hridita, a scathing attack there coming in from Mamata Banerjee ahead of Prime Minister's address.
Well, absolutely. We see that earlier also Trinamool Congress has been stating on the same lines that nobody needs to teach the Trinamool Congress about women reservation, and this is not a bill, but it is a process of delimitation. They are mixing two bills, and today we see that Mamata Banerjee, after yesterday's defeat in the parliament, we have been seeing that since opposition has been attacking, Mamata Banerjee also not left spared of it. Today, Mamata Banerjee firstly said that Prime Minister Modi is losing his grounds. He is already losing. He has lost in the parliament yesterday. He has lost in the house yesterday. She also said the next loss will be seen in Bengal. Today, again in a second rally, she has said that the Desh ka Neta should be like somebody like Netaji and Gandhiji, and what kind, in a very sarcastic tone, she says that what kind of leader is Prime Minister Narendra Modi that he is going to address the people. He also said that listening to his address, it will not suffice people's ration. It is not that they will get their food or ration if they listen to this, the Prime Minister's address that he is all about to do at 8:30. She also goes on to saying that after his loss in Bengal, that will be also noticed as the second loss after what was seen yesterday in the House, will be the second loss in Bengal, after which Trinamool Congress will conquer Bengal and also then win over Delhi. That is what the Chief Minister of West Bengal has been stating all day through her rallies in various parts of West Bengal today. All eyes are on the 8:30 address of the Prime Minister.
We'll see what the Prime Minister has to say, what he has to say specifically to the women in this country. Thank you very much, Hridita, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story. Now, viewers, the Bharatiya Janata Party has also taken its fight to